been reading books of old, the legends and the myths.
Welcome back to my channel. I decided it's 10 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday and I needed to take a break, so I took a break and now I'm back. And people are starting their cars. It sounds rough out here, but that sounds very rough. Okay, instead of making New Year's resolutions, I just made a list of 8 goals. They don't really have to be finished in a certain amount of time, but they're here, and I filmed some of them, but not all of them. So I just decided to throw them up here. So I guess let's just get on with the video. So I started out this morning with a nosebleed. Great way to start the year. Great way to start the year. Okay, so the only 2 I did not film was just actually for really good purposes because I was doing these things, was spending more time with my family and decluttering my closet and selling the clothes that I don't wear. I'm gonna start selling my stuff on my Poshmark, so I'll leave that linked down below, but spending time with my family is something that I feel like is personal, and that's something I don't really want to document all the time, so, you know, why not? But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it on social media platforms if you have them. You can share them wherever you. Over here is where you guys will find my Instagram. My feed is looking pretty cool. Not gonna lie, not gonna toot my own horn, but toot. So you guys can go follow me on there. There's a lot of updates and everything. And I'm actually gonna link my Snapchat down below. However, I don't really use my Snapchat that much. I normally just use my Instagram story. But with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, and Spider-Man's control.